weed and probable cause, he searched the bitch. Abused the badge anyway. Asked the officer, why am I getting searched? Then he got slammed.